go to the Live Worksheets website and enter your username and your password. Your username is Lucia Tremolada, all in small letters with no spaces. Your password is Lucia1, all in small letters and no spaces, unless you've sent me a message to change your password, in which case you can use your new password. Open the website, open the workbook, and have a look at this worksheet. Here we're going to practice using I'm bored or not boring. Let's read the description in the box. Adjectives ending in ed describe a particular feeling. Okay, I'm bored. That's my feeling at the moment. Adjectives ending in ing describe a person or a thing that causes that particular feeling. So, I'm bored is my feelings because the film is boring. Boring is the thing that I'm watching or I'm looking at. It's the thing that's making me feel bored. Fill in the gaps in these sentences using the correct adjective. This film is so boring or bored, I'm going to bed. I suggest you watch this video on your telephone and use your computer to complete the exercise. That way you can listen to me explaining it while you do it. Number 2, my English teacher is very interested or interesting. He makes every lesson fun. Number 3, I was surprised or surprising when I opened my birthday present. Number 4, my holiday to Disneyland was amazed or amazing. My mum is very tired or tiring because she worked very hard today. My sister is so annoyed or annoying. She always disturbs me when I'm doing my homework. Studying alone at home is very boring or bored. I was very disappointing or disappointed when I got 7 in the test because I studied a lot for it. Number 9, studying adjectives is very confused or confusing. I'm confused or confusing. Complete your work on the online form and then I can help you and then I can see how many you got correct. Tell me if you have any problems.